USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. Okay, so before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. It says get my swing setup membership, so you can join it if you want. The first link below, then check out the brokers and the robot and everything if you want the robot as well. Go and check out these links in your free time. Okay, join free Telegram, subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going for this high. Okay, weekly I think we know we are going for this, right? But it's gonna grind until here. It will not be a smooth ride. It's not like, just in one candle you will reach there. No, it's gonna grind because dollar is weak, so as yen. So it depends who is less weak. Okay, in USDJPY we are fighting between two weak pairs. Dollar is weak right now, as well as yen is weak too. So whosoever is less weak, that pair is going to win, and that looks like yen is more weaker than USD right now. Okay, but the market is choppy here. Coming back to 4 hour, again you see here we are consolidating. Okay, now this was your bullish breakout retest from the EMI. You know what, I will avoid USDJPY if I would be. Okay, so this is consolidation right now, and this high is taken, so we are in the bullish trend. Okay, so this candle has this candle has taken out this high, previous high. Okay, so we are supposed to be in this uptrend, but if I have euro USD GBP USD, then I will avoid USD JPY for today at least. Okay, next week we will see how it goes. But coming back to Delhi again, I can show you here. You see these last 3-4 candles are not what do you call, attracting me. Okay, so I will skip USD JPY personally, and I will go for these two pairs. So subscribe, like and share, and join Telegram and join brokers, this and that, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.